Now, we often use the term heartbreak to refer to that awe feeling, that heartbreak that we feel following a loss of somebody, a loved one, loss of property, loss of anything. Just in simple terms, the heartbreak that you know. For your information, there is a heart disease actually that is called heartbreak or broken heart, or in some other language, Japanese, it's called Takotsubo. Takotsubo is an acceptable scientific name. If you give a diagnosis of Takotsubo, it's acceptable. Now, in case of stress or loss of a loved one or anything that you call heartbreak, your body releases, there's a surge in a hormone called cortisol. Cortisol is a stress hormone that is released in your body when you are in this distressed or in dire state. So these cortisol has direct effect on your heart because it weakens your heart muscles, it makes your heart balloon, and it reduces what we call the ejection fraction of your heart to 15 to 20%. So this collection of how your heart now reacts to this stressful condition is what we call Takotsubo, or heartbreak, or broken heart, or stress cardiomyopathy. Normally it's not a fatal condition because only about 5% of patients succumb to these conditions, but a good 95% do recover. One thing that needs to be taken carefully is that it mimics all the symptoms of heart attack, or what we call cardiac arrest, because you'll find on echo you'll find that the apex of your heart is less compliant than the other part of it. The apex of your heart is the pointed point of your heart. From the echo you'll realize that it's less compliant compared to the other heart muscles, but the good thing is that there is no effect on the coronary supply to the heart. And then like I said, it reduces ejection fraction to about 15 to 20%. So you'll see actually from this collection of symptoms, you'll see it mimics a cardiac arrest. But this is not a cardiac arrest, this is a heartbreak or broken heart or Takotsubo or stress cardiomyopathy. So actually what you're feeling, that or feeling following a loss of a loved one, a loss of property, or a loss of anything, is actually that heartbreak that you call. Now, we often use the term heartbreak to refer to that awe feeling, that heartbreak that we feel following a loss of somebody, a loved one, loss of property, loss of anything. Just in simple terms, the heartbreak that you know. For your information, there is a heart disease actually that is called heartbreak or broken heart, or in some other language, Japanese, it's called